Good morning, children. Today our lesson is subject-verb agreement. Last week, through a video, I explained one of the rules of this topic. Today I will explain another rule of this topic. Now we have to know what is agreement. Agreement means the rule or the condition. Rule and condition between a subject and a verb is explained through this topic. Alright, children. Now we have to know what is subject. Subject means the doer of the sentence. The person who is doing any work in the sentence, that is or he or she is the subject. Okay. See, Ram plants a sapling. In this sentence, who is planting a sapling? Ram. So Ram is subject. You enjoy the magic show. Who enjoy the magic show? You. So you is subject. She talks politely. Here she is subject. Now, what is verb? Verb means the doing word or the action word. In a sentence, the work that is done by the subject is the action word, or that will be called the doing word. Am I clear, children? Now, look at these examples. Madhu reads novels. Here, subject is Madhu. Madhu is doing what? Madhu is reading novels. So, reads. This word is the action word. Okay. He has a red ball. Here, has is the verb or action word. He is having the ball. Okay. We are children. Here, are is verb. Now, we have to know the rule where we have to use has and where we have to use have. If the subject is singular, like he, she, it, or any name like Ram or the boy means singular. In these cases, with the singular subject, we will add has. Okay. He is one boy, she is one girl, it is one non-living thing. For all these things, in these cases, we will use has. See, he has a red car. He is singular subject, so I am using has with he. She has a red car. She is also singular subject, so I am adding has with it. Ram has a red car. Ram is one boy, so I am using has. The boy has a red car. The boy is also singular subject, so I am also using here has. Okay. Now, where will we use have? If the subject is plural, then we have to use have with it. Which are plural subjects? Like we means many. They also refers to many. The boys, I am telling the boys, mean many boys are there. That's why these are plural subject, and with all these plural subject we will use have only. Look at these examples. We have a pet. We, plural subject, so I am using have with it. They have a pet. They is also plural subject, so I am using have. The boys have a pet. The boys means many boys, plural, so I am using have with it. Now, always remember, with I and you, we have to add have. Though I is singular, you is also singular in some cases, but we don't use has here, but we always use only have. Look at this example. I have a pet cat. I is singular subject, but still as I told you, that we with I always have. So I am telling I have a pet cat, not I has a pet cat. You also always with have. So you have a pet cat, not you has a pet cat. Okay, children. Hope my explanation is clear to you. If you have any problem, in the next Zoom class, we will clarify it to you. Alright. Thank you, children. Stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.